On this weather impact alert day, ODOT crews are getting ready to tackle the roads for what's expected to be an intense 48 hours. That snow is making its way over to us.
Sure is. Tatiana Cash live with ODOT this morning. So Tatiana, how exactly are they getting ready for that upcoming snowstorm, and what can we expect over the weekend?
Well, Tim and Sophia, there's going to be a lot of movement happening right now. As you can see, taking a look here in the garage, lots going on. I've got with me here Kelsey Hogan. Good morning to you, Kelsey.
Good morning. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for, letting us come inside. And I see it looks pretty good. So are you guys ready? Can you go out right now, or do we still need a little bit more prep time?
Actually, yes, these trucks are ready to go, definitely. Although they are making some final preparations, doing things like shining their windows as these debris can build up on there, and fine-tuning, getting them topped off with gas and getting on the materials ready. But otherwise, I think we're in pretty good shape.
Let's talk materials. What exactly are you guys prepping? I'm noticing here, giant shovel, other things that you guys are really getting ready to what we can see and expect out there on the roads.
Yeah, so we will be using salt, of course, but one of our biggest priorities will be actually having the blades on the ground. We're going to be trying to push the snow off of the roadway. We will need to use probably some additives to make sure that the salt is cooperating with us in these lower temperatures, but we have plenty of materials on hand, and we're expecting to use our full toolkit for the storm.
Full toolkit, and I know we talked about it a little bit earlier, so how much percentage-wise when it comes to manpower, and when do y'all start? Because we said Saturday is really when we're going to get going, right?
Yeah, definitely. So we're going to have 100% of our trucks out on the roadways once the snow does start to fly. We'll have our crews actually reporting by noon tomorrow. That's on Saturday. That's when we'll roll into those 12-hour shifts. So today we actually maybe get a little bit of a break. People will get some rest tonight and be able to then get back on the roadway tomorrow.
And I know we talked about this a little bit earlier. In terms of roadways and where I'm going to see, what are your places, or, are you coming to my neighborhood specifically? What's going on here?
Well, ODOT focuses on state and federal routes. So you'll see us out on the interstates, 475, 75, 280, things like that. But we also are responsible for state routes. So 64, 295 here in Lucas County. And then, of course, we'll share that responsibility with our municipalities. So the city of Toledo, city of Maumee, things like that will be responsible for their roadways within their jurisdiction. We'll have the county engineer who's out, and also township and other maintenance. So it's a whole ecosystem of people who are responsible for the roadways, and we really just want the motorists to be careful. We're all in here for the same mission.
Wonderful. Kelsey, thank you for taking the time. We'll continue to talk about this because, again, this issue is not going away anytime soon. It's going to be a long time coming, so we're going to send it back to you in the studio, but this will be an ongoing conversation. Tatiana Cash, WTOL 11.